Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Adjective.
Let's learn English.
Let's learn
More about
Adjective.
an adjective is a describing word.
adjective describing a person. Happy. Young. Ready. Tired. Sick. Sad. Good. Angry. Quiet. Hungry. Adjective describing a thing.
Clean dishes. Long chair. Full battery. Thick books. Hot sun.
Adjective describing a place or event.
Big front door. Opening boom barrier. High volume. No right turn sign. Plenty of balloons.
Let's apply your knowledge. Play.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct answer.
The girl is?
The correct answer is happy. The girl is happy.
The boy is?
The correct answer is hungry. The boy is hungry.
The boy is?
The correct answer is sad. The boy is sad.
The girl is?
The correct answer is sick. The girl is sick.
The boy is?
The correct answer is ready. The boy is ready.
The volume is?
The correct answer is high. The volume is high.
The volume is?
The correct answer is full. The battery is full.
The boy is?
The correct answer is angry. The boy is angry.
The dishes are?
The correct answer is clean. The dishes are clean.
The door is?
The correct answer is big. The door is big.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Identify the adjective.
The boom barrier is?
The correct answer is open. The boom barrier is open.
The balloons are?
The correct answer is plenty. The balloons are plenty.
The boy is?
The correct answer is tired. The boy is tired.
The boy is?
The correct answer is young. The boy is young.
The boy is?
The correct answer is good. The boy is good.
The boy is?
The correct answer is quiet. The boy is quiet.
The truck container is?
The correct answer is long. The truck container is long.
The soup is?
The correct answer is hot. The soup is hot.
The boy is?
The correct answer is angry. The boy is angry.
The girl is?
The correct answer is happy. The girl is happy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.